In this video, we will learn about how to disable the WordPress theme and plugin editors. If you want to disable theme editor of your WordPress website, then in that case, first of all, in your WordPress dashboard, there is a theme editor. This is used for editing the theme and its codes. Disabling this is very essential to increase stability and security so that any other user is not able to edit or delete it. To remove it, log into cPanel and then go to File Manager section. Now here, go inside public_HTML. Now, inside your WordPress installation folder, edit wp-config.php file. Now finally enter the given code at a definite place. That is, you can enter this line after wp debug false line. Once you have pasted this line, click over Save Changes. Now finally, if you will open your WordPress dashboard, you will find that editor section is absent from here.